All right, quick one here. So it's been a while I did this, so welcome back to my channel once more. So this is Mega Mind here. I just want to give us like a price analysis and what I'm looking out for on EU. So yesterday we caught this beautiful sell. This is like a 1:21. We missed the buy because of course I was waiting for just a little more push into this area so that I can take the buy, but unfortunately the buy left without me, so I anticipated the sell, called out the sell, and then here we are selling. I think this sold for around 100 and something pips, if I'm not mistaken. Let me get my facts right. Okay, so this is still selling for, all right, this is 113 pips sales from yesterday. So what am I looking out for? Basically simple. You guys already know what I'll be looking out for. So basically we had this so we had this buy order flow from yesterday. So we had this buy order flow here. We had our sell order flow from this point. So what happened was this is the open for our buy order flow. That was the reason why I was going to engage on these buys. But unfortunately for me, I couldn't engage on the buy. So what happened was that, so from this open we had, so from this open we had price, giving us a beautiful buy reaction for buy continuation. So price went on to take out the sell order flow, mitigated something on the left, or rather from this left hand side, and then we were able to get in on this massive sell. And now the target for this sell was first this lows, because this is where our last higher time frame order flow is for buy. So if price was supposed to buy continue, we should have gotten the buys from these areas here. But what then happened? We had that violation, and then price now is selling down. So where's the next area for buy continuation? This is where I'm looking at getting in on these buys. So if you have price come down into this level, I'm going to be buying from that level. So let me get all of these drawings out of the way. So I'm going to buy, from these levels here. So because our range is still within this guy and then this guy. So of course this, for me, this was supposed to happen from like yesterday. So price was supposed to sweep and get back down into these areas, and we'll continue to buy. But unfortunately, price is being trapped, here. So we should have had like a buy continuation from here. So it failed. So I'm looking at these areas for potential sell continuation when I have the confirmation I'm looking for. Yeah, so that is pretty much what I'm looking out for. Let me just get this, let me get this out of the way. So let's see what price is going to do for us. Why is this stuff not leaving? All right, so cool. So let's see what price is going to give us in NY. So what I'm anticipating is price coming back into these levels, and then I can take my buy to target. First target should be these levels here, and then ultimately this level if you're going to be bullish. But if not, we could have price coming to these levels too, and then we can have like a sell continuation to the downside. Let me get that. So we could have like a sell continuation to the downside, So but first target to be on the safe side should be these areas here, so that we can, price can decide whether to buy continue or to sell continue. So whichever way, you just have to react to price. You don't have to predict it. You have to react to whatever price is giving you at the moment. So that's a way of being on the safe side. Do you understand that? So let's see what price gives us in NY. So for now, there is nothing. I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing any trading opportunity for now. So to me, some people may ask me, how about this liquidity here, this liquidity, and all this liquidity here? For me, I don't know. Price might decide to do this, but I trade basically last higher time frame order flow. So from last higher time frame order flow, you get these reactions you're looking for. You get the massive reactions you're looking for, and not just a bit pullback and then price takes you out here and wondering what's happening. So I only take high probability trade setup, that gives me a kind of a strong advantage. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm looking out for on EU. So let's be open. So there are other scenarios that can play out, there are other things that we can have play out on EU too, but so let me just paint that for you guys so you see. You can see what I'm talking about. Let me get this. So, let me get this. Now, the only reason why I would buy these markets, from where we are is when I have like price take out this level. So price comes, takes out this level here, because I know that already we've taken out this last buy order flow. So if price wants to buy from these areas, so price needs to give me a break back into the range, and then we react from here, takes out something here, and probably mitigate this, and then I can engage the buy. Without this, I'm not buying. And I've seen this play out a number of times. So for price to avoid these levels here, I will need to see this to engage my buy. And the reason why I'll be looking out for this to engage the buy is because I want to see a break back after I've taken this last buy order flow. I want to see a break back on the H1, like H1 breaking structure, then mitigating this properly. Then we'll have the last push that takes out this low liquidity, then mitigate this. Then we can have the buy. Without this happening, I'm not interested in buying now. So this is what I'm looking out for. So the idea is to be reactive and not to be predictive. So react to price. As soon as you see that stuff, you react. As soon as you see what works, you react to it. So peace and love, guys. Trade carefully. I think we have fundamentals coming in, so you guys should be careful. And then let's do this, guys. All right. Peace and love. I'm out.